The return of a Lexus model wearing the LFA badge is something many enthusiasts never thought they would ever witness again. The original car disappeared more than a decade ago, leaving behind a legacy built on a screaming V10 engine, a lightning-fast redline, and a soundtrack that still gives car lovers goosebumps. Now Lexus is introducing a new LFA concept, and although it is not ready for production, it signals a major shift in how the brand views its most iconic nameplate. This new LFA concept abandons the familiar internal combustion setup entirely. Instead of a high revving engine, this car relies on a fully electric layout, and Lexus is keeping the specifics extremely limited. There are no battery specifications, no power figures, and no confirmation of what kind of performance this model might deliver. For now, Lexus simply says the LFA badge represents advanced engineering meant to guide the next generation rather than a strict commitment to internal combustion engines. What Lexus is willing to reveal is the foundation. The LFA concept uses a lightweight, high-rigidity aluminum chassis that made its debut alongside the new Toyota GR-GT and GT3 race car. The difference is that Toyota equips its version with a twin-turbo V8 hybrid system, while the LFA concept is designed strictly around electric power. This alone shows how far Lexus is willing to push its electric performance ambitions. The exterior stays faithful to the earlier sport concept we saw in Monterey, with bodywork that looks far closer to production than most concept cars. The length of the car measures 185.6 inches, the width spans 80.3 inches, and the wheelbase stretches 107.3 inches. Compared to the original LFA, this concept is noticeably larger. It grows by about 10 inches in length and more than 6 inches in width, giving it a far more planted stance on the road. Inside, the cabin takes a more futuristic direction. The space wraps around the driver with a cockpit-focused layout, sharp lines, and aggressive geometry. Physical gauges are gone and replaced entirely by digital screens, and there is no traditional central infotainment display. It is a very different approach designed to push Lexus styling and technology into new territory. There is still so much we do not know, including the final performance targets, the production timeline, or whether Lexus will make major changes before the car becomes a reality. What we do have is a clear look at where Lexus wants to take the LFA legacy next. And if this concept is any indication, the future of the LFA is going to be bold, electric, and unlike anything the brand has attempted before.